Most people pick crypto tokens because someone mentioned them on X or because they're trending on Reddit, but tokens that actually make money aren't trending on social platforms when it's a good time to buy. They only do when it's already late. So you need to learn how to find them before the market does. And in this video, I'll be taking you through exactly how to do that so you can spot the next big mover before anyone else does. And before we get into it, nothing in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research before putting your money into anything. Start with what's moving. The biggest mistake people make when trying to find a crypto trade is starting at the wrong place. Scrolling crypto Twitter for hot takes, checking for what's trending on TikTok, or buying tokens your friends are talking about isn't really smart, because by the time a token is already getting attention on social media, the move has already happened. The tokens that actually make investors some serious money show up on the daily movers list first, before anyone knows about them. So the first thing I do every morning is actually check what crypto moved overnight. Personally, I like to use the stocks.news app. If you want to try for yourself, it'll be linked at the very top of the description. Crypto runs 24/7, so tokens can spike at 2 a.m. while you're sleeping and still have momentum when you wake up. This shows you what tokens are actually moving with some real buying and selling behind them, not just what people are talking about on X or something. And the key is to look at percentage moves, not just the price. A token going from 10 cents to 15 cents is a 50% move, which would be huge in regular markets, but in crypto, it's just a regular Tuesday. So when you're scanning through the list, you're looking for tokens that are up 20, 30, 50% and more, because those are the ones that have some solid momentum behind them. Separate catalysts from pure hype. Once you've got a list of tokens that are up, the next step is figuring out why each of them are moving, because crypto moves for two reasons: either real catalyst or pure social media hype. Real catalysts are actual news that impacts the token, while hype is just people buying because other people are buying, but there's nothing actually really behind it. Catalyst driven moves tend to keep going, while moves driven by hype can reverse just as fast as they started. So when you see a token up 30 or 40%, the first question you need to ask yourself is, what happened? And stocks.news is where I pull up news on any token that I'm watching. With crypto, news moves fast, and it's often posted in Discord channels or Telegram groups before it hits major outlets. But if a token is moving on legitimate news, there's usually some kind of official announcement or development update that you can track down. That's why checking the news is the second filter. It helps you avoid getting caught in a move that's about to reverse. Use sentiment and mention data. Now, here's where crypto gets different from stocks. In traditional markets, sentiment is useful, but it's not what moves price most of the time. In crypto, sentiment actually moves the price a lot of the time, especially for smaller tokens. So once you've identified a token with a real catalyst, you want to see if that news is starting to get attention yet. If a token is moving because of actual news and people are also starting to talk about it more on Reddit and X, that means the news is still getting around, but there might be room for the price to go up. If a token is up 25 or 50%, but sentiment is flat or starting to turn negative, that tells you the move might be ending soon. And you can track all of this inside of stocks.news. So the best setups are when you catch sentiment building before the price catches up. A sudden spike in mentions on a token that hasn't moved yet can be an early signal that something is about to happen. That's when you want to dig deeper and see if there's actual news behind all of the talk, or if people are just talking for no reason. Build a watch list and let alerts do the work. Now, the last thing you need to do is turn all of this into a system so you're not glued to your phone all day long. Once you find some tokens that pass the two filters that we just talked about, so they're moving for a real reason and sentiment is backing it up, you then add them to your watch list. Then you set up different types of alerts depending on what you're looking for. For tokens you're actively trading, you set price alerts so you know when they hit key levels. For tokens that you're researching but haven't yet entered, you set up news alerts and mention spike alerts so you get notified when something changes. And for tokens where you want to catch the next move early, you use sentiment alerts inside of stocks.news to see when people start talking about them again. The whole point here is to get ahead of the move instead of having to react to it, because like I said earlier, by the time a token is all over the crypto Twitter space, the early money has already been made and you're late. But if you're tracking sentiment and mentions on tokens that have real news behind them, you can often spot the next move before anyone else does. So if you want to start using this strategy to find crypto trades before they've hit anyone else's radar, you can download stocks.news for free using the first link in the description. You'll get access to the crypto movers data, sentiment tracking, mention spike alerts, and the watchlist system when you upgrade to premium. But you can try it all out first with a 7-day free trial. Again, the link to download is right down here in the description. And if you want to learn what the best markets to trade are, make sure to check out this video next.